Where are you going today? What golf course? Look at that. Oh, how many holes? 9 only. So you will be home before lunchtime. Happy Sunday! Good morning! Today is June 26. And kanina maaga sila dyan umalis.
They're at golf.
Yeah, nag-golf sila guys. So,
We were Kuya TJ and Dad at golf.
you're hot, baba. No, mainit dun sa kanila kasi yung heater ba. Kaya mapula-pula siya. So, what do you want for breakfast?
Fruit Loop.
Fruit Loops. Today, ano lang tayo ngayon guys, relax. Wala tayong pupuntahan except sa boys kasi nag-golf sila. So, ngayon, relax lang tayo. Anong oras na?
Kuya Zach's not. He's asleep.
Yeah, tulog pa si Sax.
And I saw him
9:26.
open the window though.
Yung mag-ama maaga umalis kanina. Alright. I'll make your breakfast now. Fruit Loops. And, naayos ko na yung bread. Oh. Nag-change yung isip niya. Sabi niya, mamaya na lang daw siya magpo-Fruit Loops. Mag-strawberry mo muna raw siya. Time check guys. Ayan, hilamos na tayo. Ayan, nakapag-change na tayo from PJs to t-shirt. And si Holly, on the go na naman siya. Alis daw kami. Hindi, dito lang. Maglalakad lang tayo dito sa Big 4. Time check is 11:55. Wala pa yung boys. Alright, I'm coming na, Baba.
Can we bring out students?
I'm not sure.
Friday said.
Okay, bring. Nag-sunscreen lang
What's
ako.
that smell? It smells good.
That's mommy.
Oh, that smells good.
Kulang tayo ng maiinom.
One.
Ano ba pwedeng inumin? May chocolate mo pa ba? Wala. Ito na lang. Strawberry. Okay. So, ito yung baon natin sa paglalakad. Ito yung sa Japan na mga snacks. So, yan. Tapos, meron tayong ganito. So, try natin yan. Okay, let's go. Okay, ready na tayo mag-walking. Akala ko na wala yung key. Ilalak natin tong caravan kasi walang tao. Look natin. Kita niyo yan din ako. Okay. Oh! Naiwan ko naman yung strawberry drink. Syunga lang, te. Syunga lang. Dala ko lang straw. Yan. Yan, black. Dala rin tayong shapes. And binuksan ko yung strawberry. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Chocolate pala siya. Sarap. Pero mag-shape muna tayo. Gawin natin yung dessert tong. Ito, masarap. May layer siyang biscuit. Okay, mamaya na yan. Mag-shape muna tayo. Balik tayo sa caravan kasi gusto niyang uminom and peanut butter.
Yeah.
Gusto niya lunch niya, peanut butter. Okay. Nakadalawa na siyang moo. So, hindi na peanut butter guys. Vegemite and cheese na lang. Sila dyan, sabi niya sa akin nung umalis siya, nung umalis sila sabi niya, maglalaro lang daw sila ng 9 holes. Pero nag-end up na 18 holes. Tapos na sila sa 18 holes. Ngayon, nasa driving range naman sila. Hindi pa sila nagsawa mag-golf, guys. So, nasa driving range sila. Tinatanggal ko lang yung crust kasi si Holly ayaw niya ng crust.
No crust.
No crust? Okay. Sisak nandun sa kapitbahay. Ayaw yung kumain ata. Kasi tinanong ko siya sa... Kumain din siya yata nagbukas ng shape yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Tira
Mom,
niya
you
yun.
know, Mom,
Hmm.
you know, lifting your shoulders like that?
Yeah, what's
That
that?
means I'm not sure.
You're not sure of pag... Kasi tinanong ko si Sak, sabi ni Sak.
Mhm.
So, si Kuya Sak not sure.
Not sure. I don't know.
Where is my... Gamitin muna natin. Gamitin na natin to. May butter pa dyan. Yung kay dyan, yung floral. Pero ito, gusto ko itong butter na to, guys. It reminds me Philippines butter. Yung parang may pagka-dairy cream.
I'll try this one first.
Sarap.
Really sugary.
Baba, put these fruits there. Meron pa tayong ilalagay na apples dyan eh. You want apples?
Oh, thank you.
Gusto ko talaga itong bata.
There's nothing in here. Okay, this is the way I
Parang talaga siyang dairy cream. Slightly dairy cream.
Holly and Georgia boys. Good job, Holly and Georgia.
So, relax day lang tayo. Hindi ko alam kung anong plan bukas. Kasi yung dalawang boys, si Ben tsaka si Jen, ang nag-aantay sa kanila. Kasi minsan, mag-golf sila. Ha? Lalo dito maraming golf course. Ano yun, Baba?
Why don't you get the olive butter?
Oh, because this is nice butter.
Is that what we had at Ivy's Nana?
Nana and Payas.
That's pretty nice.
I know, that's why I got it from Woolies. So, Woolies lang yan. Yung sa Coles, hindi ko pa natikman yung Coles brand. Woolies brand kasi ito.
Mom, you know what kind of fruit I hate?
Where is the cheese?
I'll tell you actually.
So yung cheese natin.
Mom, actually, I'll tell you what kind of fruit I like.
What?
Strawberry,
Yep.
watermelon,
Hala, we have to get cheese.
grape,
Yeah, we have to get cheese. Hala, ito hindi ko nakuha
and
kaghapon.
we even have to get
Wala
peanut
tayong
butter.
cheese.
Mom, I only want one, not two, please. Oh yeah, two.
Is your hand clean, Holly?
Yes.
Ayan, we went to the toilet. Oh, here. Pakainin ko muna siya. Here's your lunch. Yan na yung lunch niya.
Thank you very much.
No worries. Binigyan ko si Sak ng Vegemite and cheese pero parang ayaw niya. Eat it, Baba. Eat it.
After this, can I have that lolly from the...
Maybe, I'm not sure. Eat that first.
What
And si Holly. Ano, are you still gonna do number 2? Finish that one, okay? Dito na sila, guys. Pa-park lang si Johnny Boy. Who won?
Not me. Hey.
Oh, Daddy. You came last, yeah?
What do you have? 112. We'll add 107. Oh, I had 87.
Wow. 87. 84. Meron ditong Turkish pizza. Turkish bread na ginawang pizza, guys. Salami, cheese, and salsa. Yan. And si Sak kumakain siya ng Turkish bread pizza. Pinag-uusapan nila yung nangyari sa golf nila. Guys, punta kami ng Aldi. Nag-change yung plan. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, magka-carbonara si Broiding ngayon. Sabi ni Ben, mag-roast lamb daw kasi Sunday. So, roast lamb kami. It's alright. So, kami naman ang alis. The boys, stay sila dito. It's hot. Dito tayo sa Aldi, guys. Malaki yung Aldi nila kaysa sa Mount Gambier. Pa tayong banana. Banana. Oh, they have strawberries. Kuha tayong strawberries. Pumpkin or that one or that? Pumpkin. Oh, you got pumpkin? So, meron pumpkin. Meron silang papaya. Meron bang papaya doon? Carrots? You got carrots?
I've got plenty of carrots. We might get some chicken breast from the carbonara tomorrow.
For what?
Oh,
Carbonara?
yeah. Alright.
Where's chicken?
Leg and leg. Might need to get 2.
Yeah. What? That's a bit,
Reckon
yeah.
that's enough?
Yeah. Is it bony? Yeah, it's small.
Small bone. Or we get that one. Or we get 2 like that.
Yeah. Chicken breast, that one.
Get that one.
Yeah.
There's pasta tomorrow night.
For our carbonara.
I might grab a big
Potatoes, yes.
I've got some, but
They love baked potatoes. Okay. Potatoes. So, yan guys. They have lots of meat. Shrimp. Oh, you said in Yamba we can have tons of shrimp.
yes.
I still have bacon there. Oh, that one is already chopped.
Yeah. So tomorrow night. This is my favourite cheese. Like
What? Gouda? Is it good?
Nice. It's like your one.
Havati?
Yeah, like a party.
Got lollies. What's that?
Pineapple.
Ah,
Really
good. Good.
Really.
With chocolate, dark chocolate. Pineapple with dark chocolate daw yun, guys. I still have cheese there.
Have you got
Yeah,
grated cheese?
yeah.
Okay, we'll use yours. Sweet. Cream.
Cream, I still have cream. What's today? What's
How much
today?
cream you got?
Oh, yeah, just get one. I'm gonna get yogurt. Plain yogurt. Where's the plain yogurt? Yogurt.
Get 2, so I'm going to have potato bag.
Yeah, yogurt. Where's the yogurt? Where's the little plain yogurt?
There's more on the other side.
Maybe not because there's all
No, up the top's the yogurt.
just plain one. Just a plain.
Vanilla, French vanilla.
Greek na lang, Greek, but too big. Just like Greek yogurt, no yogurt. Natural, much. Is that sour cream? Aha, whipped cream.
Pancake.
Yeah. Wala man lang silang yogurt. Thick and creamy. So, okay. Ito na lang. I'll just get
Oh, I might get some milk. More milk.
cream cheese. Is the cream cheese here? Cream cheese, cream cheese. Cream cheese daw nasa top. Top. Cream cheese nila. Bread, guys. Turkish bread. That's a big one.
Nah, up the top there.
Top, okay. Turkish bread. There's just a hole there. But and sliced bread. Kanin tayo nito. Soft white. Ito.
The egg one.
The egg one.
Register food, please.
Yeah. That one. Okay. Okay, tapos na tayo, guys. Dito na kami, guys. And, ayan, sak. Kumuha na agad siya ng banana. So, ito sa atin to. So, kumuha tayo ng Turkish rolls. Masarap to, guys. Gusto yan ni Johnny Boy. Natikman niya. Yan dun sa, kung saan tayo nag-swimming. Kahapon ba yun? Nung isang araw. Dun sa father ni Brody. Ayan, bananas, Greek yogurt, strawberries, and cream cheese. So, yan lang. Yung iba, nandoon kasi doon lulutuin yun eh. Yung kinuha ko lang, yung ilalagay ko dito sa fridge. And meron pa akong cheese dito. Gagamitin natin tong cheese para bukas sa ating pasta. Okay, meron tayo ulit na strawberries para sa pancake. Alam nyo ba, pumunta, di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na kukuha ko nito? Hindi kasi sa ko, so hindi ko nakita yung ganitong mga cheese, yung slice, so wala. Nakalimutan, pero pwede naman bumalik anytime pag kailangan. So, yan yung nabili natin today. So, hindi pa tayo nakapag-walking. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, mag-walking kami. Pero hindi pa. Natuloy kasi nga, ayan, nag-grocery tayo. Kasi yung dinner nga natin nag-change. Dapat carbonara. Bukas na lang daw yung carbonara. Kasi Sunday, sabi ni Ben and si Jan nag-agree din na Sunday dapat roast. Okay. Mag-roast tayo. So, hindi ko alam kung maglalakad pa. I think, ilalagay na ni Jan tsaka ni Ben yung roast sa, kung saan nag-barbecue nung isang araw. Kung saan tayo kumain nung isang araw. Yung kusina nila dito. Okay. Yung mga bata doon, nanonood sila ng TV sa kabila. Edit tayo muna, guys, si Jan dito. Tanggalin niya yung plastic. May plastic pa yung ating aircon/heater. ASMR, babe. Looks nice.
That's still hot.
It's still alright, that bread.
That's thin.
Yeah, that's for kids. No, there's still.
Lucky. That's thin.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Hindi pa ako. Magta-transfer pa lang ako. Hindi na naman tayo makakapag guys. Tinawag na ako ni Jan. Mag-walking daw tayo. Okay, let's go for a walk. Yung, wala tayong kilay. Okay lang yan. Mag-walking lang naman tayo. Dito around the village. Ayan, ready na mag-walking. Dadalhin daw. Hindi sila mag-walk. Mag-scooter sila.
I really want walking.
Yeah. Kasi nag-walking ka na kaninang umaga. Okay, wait for daddy. Labas tayo. Punta tayo ng beach. Across lang daw. Ayan lang pala, oh. Is that the beach? Bride? Oh, ayan lang, oh. Labas lang tayo dito sa gate.
Right there.
Beach access.
Right there.
Wait. Ayan. Kaya pala marami ako nakikita may dala silang pang fishing.
I know. That's the face first.
Si Max naka-bike. Okay. Wait, Sak. My God. Wait. Yeah. Okay, go. Bilis kasi niya magpatakbo. May dala akong golden pash.
Where's that?
May yan ang beach daw, guys, pero low tide.
Where we go?
Hoy, Sak! Ayan, may park din. Ayun si Sak tsaka si Kuya nasa baba na. Pwede din daw doon, pero dito tayo mag-start.
Down there. Holly,
Holly, stay with Ivy, ha?
this way.
This way, Baba. Look out, Baba, look out. Careful, honey. Yeah, kasi pababa siya. Yeah.
Stack's down.
What happened? Sak! Ayan, Rosacary. Stop doing that.
Stack, get up, Trevor.
Oh, Sak. Get up. Now, scratch again. 180.
Where's TJ in that?
Not sure. Where's Max?
He's here.
Okay. Go, darlings. Be feet up.
Wow! Nag-exhibitionist na siya. May nag-fishing kasi doon, no? May snapper daw dyan.
Look at who's that Zach again?
Sabi ko kay Jan, bili ako ng umbrella. May nakita ako maganda. Maganda. So, Holly, wait for us, Baba! Andun na yung mga bata sa ano, guys. Tatawid tayo ng bridge. Andun na yung mga bata. Oh. Si Ivan dito. May nag-fishing dyan, oh. Highway. Fish Island. Dito na tayo sa kabila, guys. Doon tayo galing. Dito na tayo sa kabila. Ayan yung umbrella, oh. Nice. Medyo malayo-layo na yung nilakaran natin, guys. What? What did I
I'm
say?
walking slow, but I'm still passing you.
Sabi niya, bilisan ko raw maglakad. Sabi ko, yun ang may bibilis ko. Ando na yung mga bata na una na kasi may scooter sila. Pati si Brady. Na malayo-layo pa raw to.
Oh, nearly there, yeah.
Initially, okay. Meron dito malaking parking lot. Merong mga sasakyan doon. Yun doon. And dito medyo open. Tapos papasok ulit tayo. Maganda dito, guys. Yan. Tingnan yung sky. Oh. Ayan, mainit na naman. Pag nasa shade tayo, medyo hindi naman malamig. Pero cool ba? Ayan, pasok ulit tayo dito sa loob ng... Ano kaya? Han, what trees are they, Han? What trees are they? Acacia? No. Joke lang. Tingnan yung ganda. What? I don't know. Parang ano sa atin? Ano ba to sa atin? Yung sa mga sa dagat? Yung parang ginagawang uling. Joke lang. Hindi ko rin alam, guys. Pero yan, oh. Cacao? I know, cacao chocolate yun. Joke. Is that pineapple, Han? Babe? Parang siyang pineapple kasi. Oh, may ayan. Ah, hindi siya pineapple, guys. Kasi tingnan niyo yung bunga. Yung bunga niya ba, may tusok-tusok. Parang, ano ba yan? Langka. Pero yung ano niya, yan yung tree. Ayan yung puno niya. Ah, yan na. Parang breakwater. Breakwater naman ba siguro to. So, ayan, another tree. Ayan na dagat, guys. Yung mga bata andun na. Si Jen, iniwan na tayo. Ako. Ayan. Nakapagpahinga na sila doon. O, nakaupo na sila doon. So, tatawid tayo. Ayun na yung mga bata. Wala, Holly. Si Holly. One of the boys na talaga si Holly. Yun na si... Stop, Holly! Merong little market, guys. Oh. Okay. Tawid. Sana may fruits. I think they're just gonna open, Han. Ah, they're just closing. Ah, sarado na. Late na tayo. Maybe every Sunday they do this. Ah, late na tayo. Sayang, di natin naabutan yung market nila. Ayan, may mga tinda silang bags. $75 leather wallet. And then you close now?
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Ah, finish. Okay.
Just watch out for the cars, guys.
Oh, watch out for the car.
They won't run you over intentionally.
Ayun, ha. That's a good one. Oh. Every Sunday raw sila from 2 morning to 2 o'clock lang. Ayan, no, mayroon sila yung ganun, oh. That's the one we need, honey. Yeah. No, that one. The one she's folding. Yeah. Too wide. Italian ladies wear. Ayan, guys. So, mayroon din sila wholesale direct daw. So, hindi natin naabutan. We're late. Oh, Hanu, look at this, Han. You're late, babe. Donut. It's closed. Sarap niyan. Sarado na. 2 o'clock lang kasi. Ngayon, oh, food court. Food cart, I mean. Wala na. Sayang. Dapat kanina tayo pumunta. Dapat yun naman talaga ang plano. Kasi nung dumating yung mga boys, yun na nga, nag-change na ng plan. Nag-grocery tayo para sa ating dinner kasi nga dapat carbonara.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.